So we're back, and what we're going to do is reset this account, and we are going to reset it to 150. Oh, we can have a check of that. Hold on a sec. Cash and reset. Don't want to clear the history. Reset, yes. Okay. So we're going to start again. We are going to start again. We are going to try to not ultimately not add to a position. So we're going to use NQ. We're going to use moving average cross, and secondary signals we're going to use a 16 range chart, and we are not planning to add to our positions that go against us. And let's see how this goes. Let's just see how this goes. Let's see. Seeing buying here. Ultimately, we've got these moving averages facing downwards.
Order submitted.
Seeing price to test of those there. Got bought back up. Didn't like that. Get out if we break these highs here.
Order filled.
Hang around those lows a bit too much there. Just hanging around a bit too much, so close for a loss. Wasn't a true setup either. What's going on here? Target would have been hit if I would have been more patient. But ultimately I weren't. Ultimately I weren't more patient there. Let's see. Prices are breaking down, but do I want to short here? Probably not. What is going on? So was long there.
Order submitted.
Order submitted.
No.
Order canceled.
Order canceled.
No, 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 no. See no bullish momentum coming here. Let's see what we do here. Seeing this continued move to the upside here. Still biased to the short side. Still biased to the short side here. How this move up, how this pull back. this consolidation here below VWAP on these previous highs here. That's 311. Currently we're around at 97.25. Why don't I have anything drawn on this chart? Very odd. Very odd. Currently breaking away from that 97.25. Currently just closed above VWAP. Strong move up to VWAP there. We've got 5 consecutive bullish candles. And we'll move through VWAP here. See what we do. Can we see a pullback? Essentially coming into these highs. Didn't break out. Let's see what we do here. Okay, so 3 potential candles.
Order
3 candles
submitted.
bearish. I'm going to look at that as being a. Oh no. Are we being for real? Oh no. So the 3 bearish candles I'm using as a false breakout. Get back out. Wasn't a part of the plan. Let's see.
Order filled.
There we go. So that would have hit target there. Would have hit target if we would have left it in. Okay. So ultimately, let's see. Had a long signal, the moving average crossed up there, but this has been selling off too much. Coming to these highs, selling off quite a bit. Then again, they are still bearish based on these moving averages, so it shouldn't have been taken that long anyway. Should have probably held it short. So prices went into that to the VWAP, encountered some difficulty.
Order submitted.
Got a short signal right there.
Target filled.
Target filled. Got another short signal.
Order filled.
Got another short signal. This is a true signal. That was a secondary signal I just took with that first initial short. So this is a true signal. Let's see what we do here. Close bearish. Should get to target. Just this stop to break even. Should get to target. Hanging around a bit too much here.
Target filled.
Target hit on a true signal. And let's see. sure. Okay. Interesting. Testing lows. So secondary signal, true signal. This looks like we're heading down to that 62. Looks like we're heading down to that 62.
Order submitted.
Looking for that move down to 62.
Order
No, get out.
canceled.
Just get out. That was not part of the plan. Get out. Do not do that. Let's reset. Let's reset. Got a level down at 62, but can't just start taking random trades, even if they would probably work out. See, would have got that 62 right there. Potential bounce off support at 62. There we go. Okay. Gotta stay disciplined here. So that's 62. There's that 62 right there. I haven't got it marked out on this chart. I should have it marked out. I wonder if I copy it from this chart, would it come across? Copy. Nope. Let's see, Control V. Oh, it doesn't quite do it. It's no problem. 62. Oh, it is there. It is at the right place. 62. Apply. Okay. Alright, so we got 62. Level above is 97.25. Again, we could just copy from over here. Copy. Control V. Copy. Control V. There we go. Breaking through that 62. What are we looking at here to the downside? Suppose we got 235. If this is going to hold at 62, just
Order
go
submitted.
for a hold of 62. Let's see, may get stopped out here. Okay, just going to adjust my stop to break even.
Stop filled.
Stop filled. See, that move up should have just carried through. The fact that it didn't. Good thing I adjust my stop to break even there. Only a smallish loss. Only a small loss. Yeah, that 62 doesn't look like it wants to hold. Can't seem to break away from it. Lost like $20 there. Okay. Maybe lost a tick. Alright, so you see we've seen that breakdown there. Breakdown away from 62. Is this to trap shorts? What kind of nonsense is that? Let's see. Are we going to encourage shorts to think of this as a break of the level? This looks like a break of the level to me. Let's see what we do here. Okay, got back to the level. Just closed bearish off the level. Wow. Strong move there off the level. You know what? That's not potential area of support and resistance. That's not okay, so it looks like we're holding it at the minute. There's some bullishness coming in there. Couldn't quite hold up. So where are we? 1 hour to market close. 1 hour to market close. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what these alerts we've been getting. More volatility alerts. Okay. Interesting.
Order submitted.
On that bearish candle. Close bullish gain out.
Order filled.
Target filled right there. Target filled on that move down. Seeing more selling here. These entries up here would have been fantastic entries if I could have held. Huh. If I could have held those trades, that would have been fantastic. Let's see what this one would have done. This one on 6 points after being at 25. Doesn't work, does it? These are really selling off here. Let's see, negative 92 points on the day. Lows of day being around 210. I think I'm going to wrap it up here. I'm going to wrap it up here. I'm going to wrap it up here. Let's talk about. We didn't talk about it in the earlier stream. What was on the calendar for today? Let's see. What was on the calendar for today? On the calendar for today, I believe there was some news. We had mortgage rates. What was the news before the market opened? So we had PPI, initial, continuing jobless claims, initial jobless claims, retail sales. I think the PPI was a big one. What was that? 3 stars. PPI, month over month. Forecast was 0.3, came in at 0.6, twice as bad as expected. The market should sell off quite a bit. It's only down 91 points. That's good. That should have sold off quite a bit, I would think. Of PPI coming in twice as bad as expected. Oh well. Actually, let's have a look here. Let's see what happened. I sold off about 100 points. Current day's range is. Current day's range. Let's have a look. What is the current day's range? 225 points. Current day's range is 225 points. Interesting. So prices have come into the moving. I wasn't even paying attention. Prices coming into the first moving average here and rejected. So it's coming to the first moving average, rejected. Gonna have this retest, rejected again. Move pretty quickly there. So I'll just stay out for now. Stay out. These lows over here. Down at 19. Got 210. Seem to be struggling to head higher here. Let's see. Struggling to head higher. More selling away from the moving average. Thinking of going short. Is it too late now? Let's see, what's the lows? The lows are 25. Certainly enough room. Lows are at 26. We're at 34. Let's see. We've come in, we've seen this buying. See a buy failure. Okay,
Order
just seen a buy failure.
submitted.
Just seen a buy
Order
failure.
submitted.
Let's see. Let's see what we can do here. Should break down. Just gonna adjust my stop to break even.
Order filled.
Break even stop just hit. Target would have been hit if I'd have been more patient. Target would have been hit if I'd have been more patient for a move through the lows there. Looking for a move through the lows, would have been more patient. Target would have been hit, but wasn't the case. Was not the case to be. Quickly adjusted my stop to break even and let's see. There's nothing really there. let's see where we are. Into an area previously saw buying. The very next area is around 20. 20 is the area we're looking at. So around about there. Next area of buying. And beyond that we've got 210, which is pretty close to the low of day of 203. So 220, 210 and 203. You know what? I think I'm just going to call it there. I'm going to call it there. Another 30 minutes. Had this late session. You can see there's no point even looking at the statistics, because it's gonna all it's gonna say is that we were successful. It's 100% accuracy, so there isn't really much I can even garner from the statistics. Again, looking for that move down to 20. Seeing that breakdown, there we go, all the way down to that area of support, around 20. Let's see if we can get 25.75. Nope, just broke those lows. So market's clearly trending to the downside, supported by the moving averages here. This entire move to the upside has been given up. What does this look like? So on a 5-minute chart we can see this move up into these areas, and we're seeing the selling look poised to retest the 210. That looks pretty certain. Oh, there we go, all the way through 210. Wow. Through the lower day. We did say we expected more selling due to the PPI being as bearish as it should have been. Expected it to be a range expansion to the downside, and looks like we're seeing it now. Okay, problem is if I just go in randomly, there is a risk. There's a risk of market reversing strongly. See? Just like that. There's that risk. There's a market reversal risk, especially after a move like this all the way down. So you've made a move from 36 down to 90 over a very short period of time. Looking at less than 3 minutes or so. About 3 minutes. Got about 50 points. So okay, gotta be careful here. I did say I'd stop, but here I am. Are these the lows? Are these the lows? Still chopping around. There we go. Broke higher. Bearish candles. 3 bearish candles.
Order submitted.
3 bearish candles, not really a sign of a reversal, are they? So we'll see here. 3 bullish candles, I'll definitely be getting out. Here we go. Oh. You know what? I'm going to risk more than that.
Order filled.
There we go. Order was filled right there. Order was filled on that move down. You can see slowly building the account. Just scalping using 2NQ. And you know what? We'll end it there. We will end it there once and for all. Okay. Like I said before, the statistics aren't going to be great. Let's see. Generate. So these are the statistics. You can see that was a break-even trade that ran against us a little bit. That's why the profit factor is as healthy as it is. Accuracy being what it is, huge stops, not great risk reward. That's hence the reason the profit factor is what it is. Again, just the accuracy that has those results there. That there is just the slippage on the break even. That's about it. So that's the summary for this new renewed account. We'll see. We'll see if the lessons from before have been learned, if anything. We definitely will not be planning to add. We may have to look at the introduction of technology to stop us from adding. That's maybe what I'll have to do. Using technology to take the risk management out of my hands. And yeah,